Hi, today's topic: Apache TOMCAT configuration on Ubuntu 15.10. Apache TOMCAT is an open source software implementation of the Java server pages and servlet technologies, and it can act as a standalone server for testing JSP and servlet, and it can be integrated with the Apache web server developed by the Apache Software Foundation, ASF, presented by me. Let's move on to my next slide. Okay, what do we have? A clean install of Ubuntu 15.10 server as an operating system, plus the DNS installed previously on this machine. What we're going to install for today's tutorial: a web server, Apache TOMCAT, include the JDK Java. Okay, next I'm gonna quickly show you what we're going to achieve at the end of this tutorial. Okay, this is it. This is the page that we want to see at the end of our configuration. Okay, next we're gonna move over to our server and log in. Okay, now I'm gonna type in my password. Okay, next let's open up the terminal. Okay, let's see where my logged in as. Log in as a normal user. Now for this tutorial, I have to log in. I have to change to be a root user. Okay, put password in. Okay guys, previously I've installed a DNS. Let's just check if still have the static IP. Okay, my next command is gonna be nslookup. Yeah, I'm just gonna quickly see if everything's fine. Press enter. Yeah, it looks like everything's fine. I've got my DNS and I've got a reverse lookup, also the static IP. Alright, fine. Now Control C. Next I'm gonna run an update. This is the command to run an update. Okay, this is the command to run an update. Then press enter. Okay, next we're going to install the JDK Java. It is the first requirement of the TOMCAT installation. Okay, let's type this command. Alright, this is the command that you need to type if you want to install Java JDK, and press enter. Okay, it looks like Java JDK is successfully installed. Let's just clear this, and now I'm gonna check what version we have. Okay, clean, version 8. Next we are going to download the Apache TOMCAT archives file. Actually, it's going to be a zip file. We're going to fire up our browser and go into Apache TOMCAT website. Okay, let's scroll up a bit. Okay, going to on your side, going to Google and type Apache TOMCAT. You'll come across this page, this web page, and come under here, download, click on TOMCAT 9, and scroll down a bit, and click on the zip file. It's one of the archives. Download, click OK, and now I'm gonna show you where that zip file is. Click here and go into download. This is it. This is where it is now. Okay, before me going back to my terminal, I'm gonna take you to my slide again one more time. Okay guys, what we just did, download this file, a zip file, TOMCAT zip file, one of the archives. This is where it is now in the download. Actually, the whole picture, what we have here, we have a file system, Linux tree. Not the whole of it, just part of it. Based on what we're doing for this tutorial, we're gonna use the two big folders called directories. Alright, now what we're gonna do, we're going to navigate from a root, cd change directory to home, change again to the user, which is me, and down to download. This is one of the directory under the user. All users have this directory, download and documents and rest. So within the download directory we have the TOMCAT zip file. What we're going to do, we're going to get into this directory and unzip it and move it to the right hand side. I'm not going to comment on this side, on the side for now. Let's move back to our terminal and you see how I'm going to do it. Okay. Okay guys, this is a directory that we need to create. It's actually a proper location where we're gonna move the file that is zipped. We're gonna unzip the file and we're gonna move it into this directory here. And let's press enter. Great. Now I'm gonna quickly navigate to this so-called TOMCAT directory. Okay, there's an exit. Let me see. Sorry guys, I missed the CD. Missed the CD in here. Okay, it's on. Actually, this directory, in this directory is nothing. It's actually empty. There's nothing on it. Now we're going to come out CD and navigate where the zip file is. Okay, CD home. Okay, let's see what we have. This is the directory I was telling you about. The directory, the download directory. We're gonna get into this directory now and see what is inside. We have the zip file, and now we're going to unzip it. This is the command that you need to type in. Unzip. Okay. Once unzipped, the color is going to change. You turn to a blue, from red to a blue. Let's press enter. Sorry guys, this is the command you need to type, right? So now press enter. Now let's see if the color has changed. Yeah, great. We have the blue color, which means it's unzipped now. Now we're going to move it from this directory to the OTP directory. Okay. Apache. Okay. TOMCAT. Okay, great. This is the command you need to type in if you want to move a file from one location to another, and press enter. Great. Now we're gonna navigate back to see if that zip file is within the proper location. CD. Okay, file. TOMCAT fine. Now ls. Yeah, great. Okay, next we're going to set up, oh come on, the environment variables. Okay, this is the command you need to type. We're going to add some information at the end of this file. Okay, press enter. Oh, sorry, I've used Nano as a text editor, so feel free, you can use VI or Ava or gedit for text editor. Okay, now you can just scroll down just before reaching the bottom of the file right here. Okay, space up a bit because we're gonna add some informations on a little space. Okay guys, add this information. They call it Java path. You got a home, Java home and Catalina. Let me just hard this up on the top, like Java path. Yeah, you don't need to hard this up. It's just me. Just a comment, Java path, for you to know. Okay, once this is done, you can just Control C. You can save it. Save it and exit. So Control X and Y. You can save it. Fine. Okay, next let's get into the zip file and bin. Okay, merge bin and press enter, and let's see what we have within this folder, within the directory, sorry. Okay, fine. Okay, now we are going to make all these Linux scripts executable. Okay, by typing chmod. So now, okay, next we're going to create a symbolic link. So it's just a link. Instead of you going back to the bin directory to fire up Apache Tomcat, you can just use this link. Tomcat. Okay. Okay guys, this is the full command you need to type in. Well, it's just a link, symbolic link. Yeah, as an admin you need this. It's the full command. I'm gonna press enter now. Okay, great. Yeah, next we're gonna use the same command for the shutdown. We're just gonna have to put a bit of a modification on it. Instead of writing Tomcat app, write down. That's it, and press enter. Yeah, sorry guys, before pressing enter, nice to just change here to shutdown. Okay, looking fine now. You can press enter. Okay, fine. Now let's start up. Let's fire up Tomcat by typing Tomcat up. Okay, it's great. Looks like Tomcat is up. The symbolic link is working. You see? Yeah. Now let's go to our browser and test it. Fire up our browser. Okay, into browser, I'm gonna type my server name, which is server 02, and is 8080 and press enter. Alright, it looks like it's working. Alright, it's great. Look, it's working, guys. I think it's fine. What we need to do next? Okay, now we're gonna do a bit of test. We're gonna test this page. We're gonna look at this page and go back to a slide and see if the page are the same. It looks a bit blurry, but it looks the same to me. Compare it. If I had to compare the two, I have TOMCAT successful, congratulations. So it's fine. That means we reach our goal. Next, we're gonna try to log in. Okay, let's go back to our browser again. Now let's try and log in, see if we can get into Apache TOMCAT server. Why? We can't, because we don't have a user and a password. Just click OK. Cancel, because we can't. So it looks like we're gonna have to create a user and a password. Okay, for now let's just copy this. Then I'm gonna show you where we're going to insert it in one of these file, XML file. Copy. Okay, now we're gonna go back to our terminal. Okay, first thing first, let's type TOMCAT down. TOMCAT down. Now let's create a user account and to secure and access admin manager page. Okay, this is the command that you need to type in. I've used nano. You can use VI. Press enter. Now into the file. Scroll down. Bit here. Fine. On here, what I've changed the password, and I put down manager as a user, and the password is password. So let's save it. Control X, enter, and start up Apache TOMCAT. Now let's start up password. Now we're in. Thank you for watching. This is the end of the tutorial. Everything's looking fine. Thanks. Bye.